front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and hit Autofill with Google here. Choose Google Password Manager. Tap on any password to edit and enter your current login method. Then hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!